Okay, I know that they gave us lots of strategies today, but since I know that we just learned our sixes, I'm going to guess that a lot of our homework problems are going to be facts with our sixes. So just so that I'm ready, I'm going to list my six count bys on the side. We have not learned a song for our sixes, so I just want to show you how you can do this with any count by, even if it doesn't have a jingle. Go ahead and name, number, date the top. And I'm going to use this blank white space up here to list my sixes. So since it's sixes, it starts with 6. If I know 6 times 2, I can list it. If I don't, I can just keep counting 6 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I know 30 plus 6 gets me to 36, so I don't have to count one by one. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I now have all of my 6 count bys listed, so I can use this as a resource for these if I don't have them memorized, okay? Let's go ahead and look at numero uno. 6 times what gives me 54? Well, I have my count by list over here, right? How many groups of 6 does it take to get to 54? Let's count. Here's my target 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 6 times 9 equals 54. That strategy I would say I used was my count bys list strategy, right? Numero dos. Blank times 7 equals 42. Right away a jingle's popping into my mind. Channel 7, Fox 42. What channel was missing? It was channel 6, and that is what goes in. So the strategy I used for that was a song trick to memorize. Numero tres. 6 times something equals 18. Well, if I look over here, 1, 2, 3, it's the third one down, so 6 times 3 is 18. Ooh, and now it's my divisions. Something divided by 6 equals 8. When I see 6 and 8 paired together, I think of my jingle. 6 and 8 went on a date. When they came back, they were 48's gonna do that one. Same with this. Ooh, 6 times is 36. What is the other number in that jingle? And then I want you to use your count bys list to go ahead and figure out, when I've got 5 groups of 6, what would my divisor be? What number divided by 6 gives me 5 count bys? These 2 are going to be on your slides today for practice. Go ahead and look at numero siete. Tim has 6 cats and 4 birds for pets. How many pets does Tim have? Oh, this is a sneaky one, just like they warned you in our blue letter. I heard cats and birds, but I heard nothing about equal groups. So am I going to multiply? He's got 6 cats and 4 birds. Cats and birds together gives me his pets. 6 plus 4 equals 10 pets. Look at how I use my tiny margin space to still show a math drawing so that I can make sure that I'm being responsible and thinking through my problem. It helps me check my work. I want you guys to do that too. Numero ocho. 6 friends decided to go to the movies. If each person spent $9 to buy tickets, what was the total amount of money spent on tickets? There were 6 friends. Each of them spent $9, and we need to figure out the total amount of money. That sounds like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people, or 6 groups. Each person spent 9. This is the same as 6 groups of 9, or 6 times 9. Since it's a 6 fact, I can use my count bys, right? 6 times 10 was 60. 1 less than that would be 6 times 9. My answer is going to be 54. But be really careful with your label here. What was the total amount of money? We can have a couple labels for money. I'm not going to say 54 total amount of money. That would be a silly label, right? But is it talking about 54 cents? Is it talking about $54? How can I label that? Since they were talking about dollars, they each spent $9, I'll use my dollar sign. You can either put your dollar sign here, or after it you can write out the word dollars. We don't do both. So you can choose if you want to put your dollar sign before the amount, or if you want to write the word dollars after. Okay? Numero 9. Jing charges $7 for each lawn that she mows. Last week, she mowed 6 lawns. How much money did she earn mowing lawns? I would like you to solve that one on your own, and it will be on your slides today for practice. Numero 10. The grocery store is having a sale on 6 packs of bottled water. Hey, that's the one that I talked about, my group of 6. Raj bought 48 bottles in all. Ooh, that's a total. How many 6 packs did he buy? So I know that there's 48 total. And I know that they're coming in groups of 6. If I know a total and a group size, what type of drawing would that be? You're right, it's an equal shares. So I start with my total of 48 bottles on top, and then I know they're going to come in groups of 6. So I can use my count bys list to help me with this, but I'm going to keep counting by 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and 48. Let's count how many groups it took. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Took 8 groups. Now what equation matches this if I started with a big total and I split it into equal groups, or I divided it into equal groups? 48 divided by groups of 6 equals 8 groups, and my label for that is 8 6-packs. Nice work. I would like you to practice number 11 and number 12 on your own today. Remember that it could be multiplication and division problems, or it could be addition, subtraction. So listen and think about the type of math drawing that you would use. Okay? You do not need to do remembering today. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems that I'm quizzing you on for your homework side. When you're finished, you don't need to take a picture because I'll see your answers for these anyhow, and the rest we did together. So best of luck, 3rd grade. I hope you're ready to start Unit 2. It's going to be really awesome.